Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you are looking to break free from the 9 to 5 grind and take control of your career, freelancing might be the perfect fit for you. In today's video, we'll explore the exciting world of freelancing, highlight the top 5 freelancing skills, and give you actionable tips on how to get started on popular platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and more. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is freelancing? Simply put, freelancing means offering your services to clients on a project or contract basis. Instead of being tied to a single employer, freelancers have the flexibility to work with multiple clients, often from anywhere in the world. This can lead to a more balanced work-life integration and the opportunity to pursue projects you are passionate about. Now, let's talk about the top 5 freelancing skills that are in high demand. 1. Graphic design. From creating stunning logos to designing eye-catching marketing materials, graphic designers are always in demand. 2. Web development. Building and maintaining websites is a crucial skill, with web developers helping businesses establish their online presence. 3. Content writing. Skilled writers can craft compelling content for blogs, websites, and social media, helping brands tell their stories. 4. Digital marketing. Experts in SEO, social media, and online advertising help businesses reach their target audiences effectively. 5. Video editing. With the rise of video content, talented video editors are needed to produce engaging videos for various platforms. Ready to get started? Here are some top platforms where you can begin your freelancing journey. Upwork. Create a detailed profile showcasing your skills and experience. Apply for jobs that match your expertise by submitting tailored proposals. Fiverr. Set up gigs offering specific services, like designing a logo or writing an article. Make sure to use clear, attractive images and descriptions to stand out. Freelancer. Bid on projects that interest you and match your skill set. Build your reputation by delivering quality work on time. TopTal. Ideal for experienced freelancers, you'll need to pass a rigorous screening process. Once accepted, you'll get access to top-tier clients and projects. People per hour. Post your services and respond to buyer requests. Network and build relationships with clients for repeat business. Before you start, here are some essential requirements and tips for freelancing success. Portfolio. Have a strong portfolio showcasing your best work. Communication skills. Be responsive and clear in your communications with clients. Time management. Stay organized and meet deadlines. Continuous learning. Stay updated with the latest trends and tools in your field. Networking. Connect with other freelancers and potential clients through social media and professional networks. And there you have it. Freelancing offers a world of opportunities for those willing to put in the effort. Whether you are looking to supplement your income or make it your full-time career, the key is to start now and keep honing your skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and guides on freelancing. Thanks for watching, and happy freelancing!